So this is the Indian Polity MCQ series. The first questions of today's lecture is, how many posts are reserved for women at all levels in Panchayati Raj system? Panchayati Raj system of 42 level of women or karone kiman seat reservation ase, and the answer will be this option A, that is 1/3. Okay. Okay, sorry. So, uttor to hobo yat option A, that is 1/3. Etaman kotha mone rakhibo lagibo je Article 243 did a 1/3 reservation or kotha koa hoise, aru ei je Panchayati Raj institutions kini ase amar সংবিধানৰ part 9 ot mention ase. Kintu kisuman neki state ase which have made legal provisions for 50% reservation for women among members and sarpanches. Udaharan swarupe Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan, Tripura, and Uttarakhand. So baki bilakoto 1/3 ruler kothai ahi jay, 1/3 reservation or kothai. So apnaloke himan kini mon rakhilo hobo. So let's come to the next question. Which statement is true about Panchayati Raj? Please go through each of the option. Option kini bhal koi saok. Aru yat শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো hobo option C, that is election of the Panchayati Raj institutions are conducted under the guidance of State Election Commission. Etu true hoy Panchayati Raj সম্পৰ্কত যে election to kune conduct korai State Election Commission, yat Central Election Commission nahe. Okay, then next question, how many tiers are in the Panchayati Raj system of India? Ami janu je Panchayati Raj system of India tinita tier ase, so option C is the correct answer. Aru jodi kungita kotha hoy ne gram panchayat, panchayat samiti and jila parishad. Aru ami janu je etu oldest system of local government hoy. Aru 73rd Amendment Act or joriote yak amar constitutional ভিতৰত ভালকৈ আনি yak establish kora hoy. So শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব ইয়াত option 3 C, that is 3-tier system. Let's come to the next question. কিছুমান important facts আছে, মই যিখিনি important সেইখিনি আপোনালোকক কৈ গৈছো। So গুটেখিনি আপোনালোকে নাজানিলেও হ'ব, যিখিনি বেছি important সেইখিনি জানিলো। Now next question to হৈছে, which of the following state was the first to establish Panchayati Raj institutions? Rajasthan ne, Andhra Pradesh ne, West Bengal ne, Gujarat, aru yat শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব option A, that is Rajasthan. So the Panchayat Raj system was first adopted by the state of Rajasthan in Nagaur district on 2nd October 1959. During this 1950s and 60s, baki state komo etuk mane apnar establish koribole lole, aru jodi second kon state or kotha ko Rajasthanor pasot hekhon hoise Andhra Pradesh, aru jot neki amar Panchayati Raj system include kora hoise. Thik ase, so শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব Rajasthan, that is option A. Aru ki sonot buli kole 2nd October 1959. Then third question, the next question, sorry. The Panchayati system was adopted. কিহৰ কাৰণে adopt কৰা হৈছিল? Option খিনি চাব আৰু ইয়াত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব ভালকৈ চালে গম পাইছে, to decentralize the power of democracy. কাৰণ আপোনালোকে জানে যে পঞ্চায়ত সিস্টেমত আমি একদম লোকেল লেভেলত কথা পাতো, লোকেল লেভেলত প্ৰবলেম খিনি সলভ কৰো। সো ইয়াত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব option A. The prime objectives of the 3-tier Panchayati Raj system are to curb poverty, uplift standard of living of people in the rural areas, and enhance a healthy and wealthy society by creating awareness among them about hygiene, sanitation, and eradication of illiteracy. It's a prime objective. Okay. So, শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব option A. Next question. Which of the following states have no Panchayati Raj institution at all? কোনখন তলত দিয়া ষ্টেটৰ ভিতৰত যাৰ পঞ্চায়তী ৰাজ সিস্টেম নাই সব ভালকৈ নাগালেণ্ড নে অসম নে কেৰালা নে ত্ৰিপুৰা আৰু শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব ইয়াত অপচন again A because Nagaland, Meghalaya and Mizoram there are no any Panchayati Raj as they have been exempted from the article 243 MD2 and also enjoying special constitutional provisions under article 371A 371B, 371C, 371F, 371G, and 371H by the Constitution of India. ঠিক আছে so এইখন সেটত আপোনালোকৰ কি নাই পঞ্চায়তী ৰাজ সিস্টেম নাই ইয়াত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব নাগালেণ্ড next question which of the following system is established on the basis of direct election গ্ৰাম পঞ্চায়ত নে ব্লক কমিটি নে জিলা পৰিষদ নে বোৰ্ড বিএনসি আৰু ইয়াত direct election of basis of established kora system to hoise gram panchayat that is option A is the correct answer gram panchayat consists of a village or a group of villages divided into smaller units known as wards and each ward selects or elects a representative who is known as the panch or ward member the members of the gram sabha elect the ward members for direct elections. The sarpanch or the president of the Gram Panchayat is elected by the ward members as per the State Act. The sarpanch and panch are elected for a period of 5 years. 5 বছৰৰ কাৰণে তেওঁলোকক elect কৰা হয়. Gram Panchayat is governed by the elected body and administration. Secretary is normally in charge of the administrative duties of the Gram Panchayat. So আমি গম পালো যে Gram Panchayatত এখন ভিলেজ বা এখন গাঁও বা তাতকৈ বহু গাঁৱৰ সমূহ হ'ব পাৰে যিটোক নেকি আমি কিছুমান সৰু সৰু ইউনিটত ডিভাইড কৰো ওয়াৰ্ড বুলি কওঁ আৰু প্ৰতিখন ওয়াৰ্ডৰ পৰা এজন ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্টেটিভ সিলেক্ট কৰা হয় যাক নেকি ওয়াৰ্ড মেম্বাৰ বা পাঞ্চ বুলি কোৱা হয় আৰু এই গ্ৰাম সভাবিলাকৰ ওয়াৰ্ড মেম্বাৰ্স মানে মেম্বাৰ্স খিনি ওয়াৰ্ড মেম্বাৰ বিলাকক ডাইৰেক্ট ইলেকচনৰ থ্ৰুৱেদি সিলেক্ট কৰে আৰু সৰপঞ্চ বা প্ৰেসিডেন্ট জনক এই ওয়াৰ্ড মেম্বাৰ খিনিয়ে সিলেক্ট ষ্টেট এক্ট আৰু যে সৰপঞ্চ আৰু পাঞ্চ ইহঁতক 5 বছৰৰ কাৰণে ইলেক্ট কৰা হয় so ইমানখিনি জানিলে যথেষ্ট ইয়াত option A is the correct answer that is the system established on the basis of direct election is gram panchayat option A is the correct which of the following statement is not correct কোনটো শুদ্ধ নহয় option খিনি ভালকে চাব আৰু মই ডাইৰেক্টলি শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো কৈছো B that is Madhya Pradesh was the first state which implemented the Panchayati Raj system in India. Bhul, karon olop de agote koisil Rajasthane to October 1959 ote, 2nd October 1959 ote established korisile. Baki khini shuddho hoy that is Panchayati Raj was established in India by Jawaharlal Nehru. 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act was implemented in 1992. Tamil Nadu has adopted bicameral. Okay, so B is the correct answer here. Now, let's come to today's last question. Which statement is not correct regarding Gram Sabha? Mone rakhibo, not correct to kuntu hudise. Halkoi sai lobo. Yat shuddho uttortu hobo option C, that is its powers, mane kar power kotha koisu ami Gram Sabha, its powers have been determined by the central government to bhul hoise. Now, baki khini thike ase, that is Gram Sabha is a body consisting of persons registered in the electoral rolls of a village comprised within the area of panchayat level. It is a village assembly consisting of all the registered voters in the area of panchayat and it empowers and functions at village level are like state legislature at the state level. Ekhini shuddho so ami etai bhul likhisu that is central government দ্বাৰা determine কৰা হয় এটো ভুল হৈছে আৰু এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিব গ্ৰাম সভা যে হয় এখন এখন পার্মানেন্ট বডি so I think this is enough for today ইমানখিনি এই 10টা কোৱেশ্চনছ আপোনালোক আকৌ এবাৰ পঢ়ি লব ভিডিওটো আকৌ এবাৰ চাই পেলাই যদি কিবা কনফিউজন আছে মোক সুধিব আহোতেনতে আজিলে ভালকে পঢ়ি যাওক টেক কেয়াৰ জয়